Sonic, America's Drive-In, and the Heber Springs Area Chamber of Commerce presents the 2017 Fireworks Extravaganza. Enjoy a day on the lake with kids' activities, food vendors, live entertainment, and more. It's a day of fun for the whole family beginning at 11 a.m., all leading up to one of Arkansas's largest fireworks displays. Choreographed to music on timeless 106.1 FM KFFB. Don't miss the 2017 Fireworks Extravaganza, Saturday, July 1st. Move to Dam Site Park on Greer's Ferry Lake in Heber Springs, Arkansas.